guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS haul video. I already posted this video this week and I posted one last week. I'm only mentioning this because this haul I have here is very small and the other videos will give you more ideas on what deals to do. Thank you all for joining me, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go pick up some deals. As I was walking in, I saw this acne cleansing brush on clearance for $4.62. In case anybody needs it, pick it up and you can use extra care box or you can use it as a filler item. The first deal I have is the spend $25 get $10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care, and it's a limit of 1. In my last video, I showed a way to do it with Neutrogena products, but this one I'll be sharing it with Aveeno. Pick up the facial cleanser, priced at $8.99, and also pick up the daily moisturizing face cream, priced at $15.99. These two items are going to total $24.98. In our app, we have a $3 coupon for the cleanser, and for the face cream, we have a $5 digital coupon. I also have a 3 off 10 Aveeno facial care CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $13.98. I'm going to pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making these two products just $3.98 or $1.99 each. I don't have a big threshold CRT, so today's haul I'll be rolling some extra care box. So I checked out this deal by itself and you can see it worked out very well. My $3 coupon for the facial cleanser came off, and also the $5 digital coupon for the cream came off as well. I ended up using a $10 extra care box and a $4 extra care box that was adjusted down to $3.98. Paid $0 out of pocket. I only paid tax and I got back my $10 extra care box, making both products just $3.98 or $1.99 each. We have CoverGirl Cosmetics on the deal of buy 2, you get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. But if you don't want to do the deal and you just want to pick up the free item, what I'm doing is I'll pick up the lipstick priced at $6.99, and we received a $4 digital coupon, and we also have a $3 mystery offer. That's a total of $7, the coupon and the CRT. Don't do this deal on the self-checkout because it's not going to work out, because the amount of the coupon and CRT is over the amount of the product. But with the coupon and the CRT, if you do it with a cashier, it's going to adjust down and you pay just tax for this. The next deal I'll pick up will be the buy 2 get $4 extra care box bag, and I'll pick up 2 of the Yardley bar soap. They are the 2 counts. They are priced at $3.49, and that would total $6.98. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. And this can also make a good filler item. But since I'm not using any of the two, I'll pay the $6.98 and get $4 extra care box back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next 2 items I'll pick up before I check out will be the Garnier Olia hair color. They're on sale for $3.49. It's not giving back any extra care box. I'll pick up 2 because we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that we just received on Sunday. It's going to drop it down to $1.98. I'll pay that and submit my receipt to Ibotta for a $2 bag, limit of 1. That will end up making these 2 products free and a 4-cent money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up, and on my coupon section, you can see the 5 off 2 came off, the $4 for the CoverGirl came off as well, and also the $3 CRT everybody received came off. I have a $4 extra care box CRT I got in my email. I ended up using just $4 extra care box to pay for this, paid 95 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $4 extra care box for doing the Yardley deal. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta for a $2 bag for the Garnier Olia hair color. Since I used the free CRT for this deal, this transaction ended up costing me just 91 cents. This is all I have for today. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all your support. I truly appreciate them, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.